Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create organization chart in Microsoft Word, which is editable, as you see here. Let's do it. First, I want to delete this one. From Insert, go to Arts. From here, we have a different list of organization chart, list, process, hierarchy. For example, I select hierarchy. All have the same procedure. You can select different ones. This one, or this one. I prefer this one. Okay, good. Now, for example, I delete this one. I delete this one. Just select it and delete. I start from this one, for example. Text, name it median. Enter. I want this one connected to this one. Just click tab. Great. Group it. I need another one. Ungroup it. Good. I want connect this one, another box to this one, to the first one. Just from here, enter, then tab. Name it even. I need another one. Enter. Odd. Good. For this one also, I want to connect two boxes. For this one, enter and tab on your keyboard. Good. Frequency available. Also, I want connect another box. Class limit available. Okay. For example, I want to connect another box to this one. Just from here, enter and tab on your keyboard. For example, simple. I want to connect another one. Just from here, enter. Complex. Good. Now you can close this one. You see it can't move. Just click this one and select this. You can move to anywhere from your paper. For example, I want to change its color from format. For example, I select this one. For this one, you can select another color. For this one, it's up to you. Good. Also, you can change the size. Home, if your text, make it bold, make it medium, change its color. I think that's all. Have a nice day.